Hello friends, today's topic is fish aquarium. Myself is Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan. Fish aquarium definition. An aquarium may be called as a public institution exhibiting a large collection of living fishes and other aquatic animals. Aquarium is a tank or pool or bowl filled with water for keeping living fish and underwater animals. It is a specially designed device. It acts as an artificial habitat for water-dwelling animals. Aquarium is big, small, or glass bowl in which the ornamental fishes kept for the recreation or a show purpose. It exhibits a large collection of living fishes, other aquatic animals. Henry Goose coined a word aquarium, who was a British naturalist for the first time in 1854. Small or big glass container with water, and the glass tank has a glass walls, and it is easily to watch the aquarium fishes, aquatic animals and aquatic plants. It gives a great pleasure while observing well set aquarium. Aquarium is useful for blood pressure patient. Aquarium is a place in a public place like railway station, police station, buildings for increase the beautifulness of the place. In a drawing room of the house, aquarium is placed with a colorful fishes for a beautifulness of the house. Nowadays, it is very common in cities and towns. Aquarium is maintained as a hobby for a decoration. In some countries, people believe that early early in morning, if someone has first look at a morning fish, he spend a whole day in a cheering and cheerful mood. Aquarium will be only a community tank having a plants, animal, different species as per choice and need of hobbyist. In the aquarium, living organisms are maintained which coexist with each other and living friendly without causing any problem. This will become the focus point of your home. Aquarium is not only used for the breeding purpose of fishes but for the use of for the decoration purpose with different colorful fishes and aquarium plants. Basic setup. Obtain a large aquarium. Purchase a aquarium setup components on a study floor of the draft free area. Run aquarium for several hours. Cycle the aquarium and add a fish. Economy require cost of the aquarium and cost of the fishes. Types of aquarium. There are many types of aquarium depending upon own way of construction. All glass aquarium, these are the prepared by using the glass. Suitable adhesive are used to paste the glass to seal and make them leak proof. Instead of glass, acrylic transparent material used for the construction of aquarium, but it is not suitable as good as glass. While cleaning the salt deposited from wall in acrylic aqua, there are change of causing scratches due to the weaving get obstructed. In this type of aquarium, there are different shapes, size, like a square, globe, like a pentagonal, triangular aquarium. For aquarium, they are constructed by using glass, acrylic sheet, and where in a glass or acrylic sheet suitable size will be fitted in a frame. The material for the preparation of frame may be different type. Their size is depend on the aquaria size. Preferably aluminum flame are used as they are non-corrosive and have better look, require no maintenance. If we use other material, there are change in a corrosion and decay and problem of maintenance. B type, depending upon the nature of plants and animal. There is a freshwater aquarium and the marine water. It is also called as a saltwater aquarium. Saltwater aquarium. It is a maintained of a ocean or a marine habitat, house in an aquarium. Just like a ocean itself, a saltwater aquarium consists of a fish, rock, coral, other living creatures such as plants or animals which are used for living in high salinity water. Marine water and saltwater aquarium. These are the used along with the plants and animal habitat of the sea. Care should be taken to maintain a salinity because loss of water is due to the evaporation causes there is a change in increase in salinity. Therefore, it is necessary to maintain a salinity proper as a sea water. The animal and aquatic from a sea water will not be a thrill in a fresh water and vice versa because the osmoregulatory phenomenon and capacity to withstand in saline or fresh water. Some fishes may withstand wide range of the salinity can be maintained in aqua with a slow acclimatization. Depending on the water temperature, marine there are many types. Building and keeping saltwater aquarium. Proper maintenance is required in marine water aquarium. More effort are taken in marine water aquarium keeping. It needs to pay attention. It may proper maintenance of water salinity, water temperature, water filtering and water lightening is taken. Stable marine aquarium. For a stable marine aquarium requires a more equipment, more strength of water quality, monitoring difficult to acquire. More expenses are required for a stable marine aquarium. Fishes adapted for a saltwater aquarium. There are many fishes: anglefish, butterfly fish, jawfish, lionfish, frogfish, and else. Now we are discussing about a freshwater aquarium. It is a receptacle that holds one or more freshwater aquatic organisms for decorative, pet keeping, and research purposes. It is sum as an ecosystem of ponds, lakes, rivers, any other water pools that extend on land. Easy to maintain, not very much difficult to maintain. Temperature, lightning, salinity change is not affect to the freshwater fishes. Often made from a transparent glass or acrylic glass. Freshwater aquarium includes the plants, animal from a freshwater. An aquarium will also fill with fresh water. In such type of aqua, we cannot maintain the plants or animal from other habitat, sea or marine water, because due to the salinity they will not be thrive and purpose of aquaria will not be served. The locality available flora and fauna have been selected and exhibited in aquarium for a better result and it is easy to maintain. Freshwater fishes. Example: chiliads, rainbow fish, labyrinth fish, catfish, and goldfish. Plants of aquarium. Rooted plant. Vallisneria sanguinata, and cat cutting plants, fernoids, hydrophilia, lymphophila, floating plants, lemna, Ricilia, Salvinia. Thank you.